These guys heard noises in this pipe and found something so unexpected inside. Sometimes you have to be observant of your surroundings. You might notice something unusual or out of place that could ultimately be a life changer. That's exactly the case for these workers in Boveney Lock in Dorney, Buckinghamshire. They were hired because of a missing dog that the owner believed to be underground. Everyone thought the owner was crazy because, really, how does a dog get under the ground? But imagine walking across a parking lot when you hear a weird noise coming from the ground. What would you end up doing if your dog had been missing? The crews decided to start digging. They tore up all the concrete and dirt until they reached the pipe below ground. Once they reached the pipe, they had to cut a hole to figure out what was making the noise. Once inside, the worker discovered something he never thought possible. A little, tiny Jack Russell Terrier was trapped and terrified deep inside the underground pipe. What's even more astounding is that the dog was trapped inside the pipe for over 4 days. What an incredible and heroic story, rescuing this dog trapped in a pipe. I wasn't expecting them to find a live animal in there, but I am so glad that this animal rescue had a good ending. Dogs are man's best friend. That's been shown time and time again. If I heard a dog in a place like this, I would do everything in my power to get it out. I'm sure the owner won't let her little pup out of her sight again. They need to find out how she got in there and seal off the entrance so this doesn't happen again. Be sure to share this heroic story with your friends below.